Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Hey, yo, I gotta do this grass right here. Alright, it's my landscaping business. Just want to show you guys different ways that you could create income. It's all up to you. Alright, what are you trying to do with this extra free money that I teach you how to make? Alright, I gotta do this whole house right here. You see all these leaves right here. Alright, I just blew half of this. I just cleaned half of this. See the half of the driveway clean right here. Here's the other half. Alright, so I go on my YouTube channel. I do what I gotta do. Create some income every single day, whether it's $5, $10, $15, $20 every single day. At the end of the week, at the end of the month, end of 3 months, end of 6 months, end of 1 year, you're making money. You've been creating streams of income every single day. I gotta do all this grass right here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, the grass is still kind of high. It's not really cold yet, so I'm still gonna cut it. Alright, I'm gonna cut this grass right here. After I cut it, cut everything down, blow everything else, break up a little bit, put those in bags, I'm done, in and out. Alright, people, so this should take me maybe like an hour, maybe a little bit more. But like I said, it's up to you to create different streams of income, alright? It's not about, let me leave that there. It's not about, it's not about making thousands of dollars every day. Of course, we would love to do that. But if you can't, make $50 a day. Make $100 a day. Create multiple streams of income, all right? Look at this. I got to do all of this. All right, all of this. All right, all I'm going to do is just blow everything. And then I'm going to use the lawnmower and just cut it. And just cut the grass. While I cut the grass, it's going to cut the leaves up for me, all right? Pick up the big sticks. So like I said, I created my landscape business 100% for free, people. 100% for free. I created my I created my landscaping business. All right, so it's up to you on an every single day basis to find ways that you could create multiple streams of income. All right. Once you create multiple streams of income, you can add this money up, and you'll be able to do big things. All right, you'll be able to do big things. It's up to you. All right, it's up to you on an every single day basis to just come up with something, create something, come up with different ways. It's up to you. All right. Working on the back of the tracks here. So yeah, I gotta do all of this right here. I'm gonna bang all this out right here. And that's another stream of income. All right, today's my day off, so I'm working on my day off to make some money. All right, so it never stops. It never stops. Continue doing what you have to do on an every single day basis. All right, continue doing what you gotta do on an every single day basis. All right, hit me up in the comments below. Tell me what your side stream of income is. Let me know what that is, and we can share ideas. All right, we can share ideas on different ways. People sell sneakers online. People got cleaning businesses. People do their own car wash and car detail. There's so many different ways that you could create another stream of income. All right, you just gotta stick with it, stay with it, and just keep going nonstop. All right, so just a quick video I just wanted to post out there, help you guys out. Without multiple streams of income, you're not gonna be able to take it to the next level. All right, without multiple streams of income, you're not gonna be able to take it to the next level. Because something's always going to come up. Something's always going to happen. All right? And never rely on one source of anything. Never rely on one source of anything. All right? Always have multiple streams coming in. All right? So it's free online money maker. Just wanted to post this quick video out here. Let's just show you guys what I be doing on my spare time if I'm not on the computer or if I'm not doing other things. I show you guys like, yo, I'm outside on my day off. It's cold. It's windy. I do not want to do this at all. But guess what? It's another stream of income, so I'm doing it because I got to do it. Because it's another stream of income. It's going to help me get to where I need to get to, all right? So a quick 5-minute video just to show you guys what I be doing on my day off. All right, landscaping business, it does not stop. Winter time, that's when everything's going to stop. And then guess what? Right after winter, everything's going to start back up again, all right? So free online money maker, do what you got to do. Build, scale, grow, learn, invest, and always put that front foot forward. All right, we're not doing this forever. I'm not gonna be cutting grass forever, right? So I'm gonna do it now. as much as I can to keep building my income, keep building my income, keep building my income. Once my income gets to a different level, I can take that money and invest in something else that could make me more money. Then I could leave my landscaping behind. I don't want to come here and cut grass and blow leaves and put leaves in the back. I don't want to do that, but it's another stream of income that I know I could do. I know I'm good at, so we're going to get it done. All right, so free online money maker. Stay focused out there. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you're doing on the side. Ask me anything. Hit me up at Free Online Money Maker on Instagram. Hit me up on Free Online Money on Snapchat. Ask me anything. I'm super transparent. All right. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I'm gonna have a couple videos coming out for y'all later tonight. Peace.